Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom email using Hostinger. If you don't have any Hostinger account, I will provide you a link in the description box. Just click that link and create your hosting plan. So after creating your account, you need to log into your Hostinger and then you need to go to that email section and the left corner. You need to click on that. And after that, you can see get a plan or set up a free email services. So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to click on setup. Now here, set up a new plan. So I need to select a domain. So let me choose a domain. So let me choose this domain. Then click on confirm. Okay. Now select your email plan. And here I would like to add that when you purchase that domain, that hosting plan, that you will get 100 custom email for free. I already purchased that. So that's why I will get this for free. So I need to select that. support@dpiph.org. Now I need to enter a password. So you can see one number, one symbol, one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter. So now everything is matching. So now all I have to do, you need to click on create. Now my email account created successfully. Next step, all you have to do, you need to again click on emails. And you can see this is the domain in which I have created that custom email. So you need to click on manage. And after that, you can see email account support@dpiph.org. You need to click on Hostinger Webmail. Now you need to put the password. Now click on login. Now I have successfully created a custom email using Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel.